The Zippy Sport Inflatable Kayak from Advanced Elements. Compact and lightweight, the Sport features a simpler, streamlined, open cockpit design, best suited for bays, lakes, calm rivers, and inland waters. At 10 feet 5 inches, 26 pounds, and a payload of 250 pounds, the Sport is fun on the water and will appeal to those price-conscious individuals who simply want performance. Setup is simple. Unpack, unfold, close the valve, attach the pump, inflate the main chamber, open the twist lock, pump up the floor, inflate the depth cliffs, attach the seat, install the inserts, and you're done. In less than 10 minutes, you're ready to paddle. Features on the advanced frame support include molded rubber handles, 1 military valve, 3 twist locks, 600 denier polyester PVC laminate in a diamond ripstop material, bungee deck lacing with D-rings, Velcro paddle holders, neoprene knuckle guards, pressure relief valve, wide cockpit opening with combing, high back seat with mesh pocket, landing plate, rugged PVC tarpaulin hull with electronically welded seams and integrated tracking fin. The Advanced Elements Sport is a truly fun and nimble kayak. The open cockpit is roomy, making it a joy to be out on the water. If you plan on milder kayaking activities and prefer the ease of a lighter weight kayak for backpacking or hauling around, the Sport will be a great choice and loads of fun. We're always happy to answer any questions. Email us at info@airkayaks.com or give us a call at 707-998-0135. See all our inflatable kayaks, paddleboards, and gear at airkayaks.com.